Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And let's make Mickey Mouse great again. Mickey, USA. This figurine, made in China probably, I'm sure, that's what it says on the bottom, is really a great figurine, ladies and gentlemen. It comes in two pieces. Mickey comes off the base, and the base is connected to the American flag with the eagle, with the bronze eagle on top, the flagpole there. I will say that the flag is highly detailed. Every stripe is embossed, every star is embossed. It's a great paint job. As you can see, it's waving. Really is a great rendition of Mickey Mouse. It's not that big. Stands about 14 inches tall. But it's American Mickey, ladies and gentlemen. American Mickey. And what's more American than Mickey Mouse? I can't think of many things. Baseball. Highly detailed. Just a great piece. Had this one for about 8-10 years maybe. It comes in and out of the Disney store once in a while. I don't know why. It just shows up and just disappears. But it does. You can find it on eBay. But really is a great piece. If you're a Mickey fan, you gotta have this one in your collection for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, American Mickey. Hug someone you love. Peace.